Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in. This is a continuation of my Ipsy PR for August 2024. Today I'm going to share the icon box with you. So this is Chrissy Teigen and John Legend's box. So the theme for August across all their subscriptions is the Beauty Olympics. This is a quarterly box, $60 per quarter. I think that went up because it used to be $58, so now it's $60 a quarter. There's shipping and handling, there's I pay tax, all that good stuff. So this is the little pamphlet that comes in the box. Let's just real fast go through this. I guess they're giving you some, recipes and some things like that. Looks like there's some products across there, just fun pictures. Let's go to just a couple more pages and then we'll get into the box. So right here, oops, hold this up properly. Right here, and then here, it says live like a legend. And then Chrissy and John are cooking up even more crave-worthy content on TikTok. And I showed you in the previous Ipsy PR video, we did get the chocolate chip cookies. So that's exciting. Can't wait to try them. Who doesn't love a good chocolate chip cookie? I do. I don't buy them, but if I have mix or if I want to make them, I make them. This is the box. I did want to reserve my thoughts and opinions just because I know neither have a brand, but, they're both celebrities in their own right. So I'm curious what they would curate in a box as their favorites or more her favorites. I don't know if there's anything here that he would use. Maybe, maybe not. So from Kat Berkey, we have Reversal Lift and Fill Form Control Maureen Collagen Gel. Right here. Let's see what you look like. The products are very expensive. This is glass right here. Kat Berkey's very expensive. A nice little pump. Let's see. Let's prime it. So it's like a milky type product color. And it is gel form. Wow, that absorbs right in. There's no scent, which is nice. How to use, put it over expression lines, targeted areas, allow 3 to 4 minutes for absorption. I didn't have to leave that much on, so love products like that. Kat Berkey is expensive, so when it comes in a box, I'm grateful. Next we have from, oh my goodness, who's this brand? Beso Balm. That cannot be the brand, is it? Who is the brand? Maybe it is J-Lo Beauty. Oh, you guys are not going to see that. This is J-Lo Beauty. This is a lip balm, ultra hydrating lip mask, Beso Balm. I'm looking J-Lo. Is it sealed? Come on. I just don't want to keep on destroying my nails here. I'm just going to try to get the seal off of one side. Hopefully then I can get it off. Pull the seal off. I'll put it on my hand. Is it just, yeah, sealed on one side. No scent, typical lip balm, but I don't have a J-Lo lip balm. I have a lot of other J-Lo products, so that I'm excited for. I'm going to take this little tape here and tape it to the inside of the box. Here from MZ Skin, we have a calming moisturizer right here. MZ Skin. We've received their products before. Very nice. I think a little on the pricey side once again, but nice glass little jar here. Nice little moisturizer. I'm going to show it to you. I love when they have them seal tops. Ooh, that's pretty full. Nice little moisturizer. I'm just going to dab a tiny bit on my finger from the lid and put it on so I can, there's a scent or see how it feels. That feels nice going in. Wow. No scent, which I love. And this is, I'm telling you, that Kat Berkey product. Oh, I've shared some and I've kept some, and so nice. But MZ Skin is also very, very nice. A little, you know, Kat Berkey, MZ Skin, a little bougie, pricey. J-Lo, so, you know, some decent products. This is a true and tried. We have from First Aid Beauty, the facial radiance pads. I'm glad it's a huge one. Love these, and this is going to be sealed. I'm going to leave it sealed because I do have a few open. You do get quite a few in this large one. Let me, and I cut them in half, honestly. I can get the lid to go back on, which I cannot. Okay, there we go. Just want to tell you how many are in here. 60. So you can make this 120. Cut them in half. You don't have to cut them all in half, you know, but I grab a few, cut them in half, and put them back. You don't need the whole one. You can just use half. My eye is constantly tearing today. Allergies are out of control for me. This next is Commodity Juice Scent Space Expressive for me and the many around me. So this is a perfume. Let's see what it says here. It says brand philosophy. Oh yeah, the brand philosophy. They're a modern American perfumery, rethinking fragrance. So let's open this up and see what I think. I'm just going to cut the top of the plastic there. Get this to open without totally destroying everything. I don't know if that's possible, so I can show you what the product looks like. I'll smell it. Okay, got that open. Destroyed the box a little bit. Let's see. Okay, that's nice plain packaging. Let's see what this smells like. How does this... Oh, it's a spray. Ooh, that smells nice. And this is Commodity Juice. I already have perfume on now. Oh, that really smells nice. Nice little bottle. This is weighted. So that's, you just push it back down. That's really nice. And it just has like a little... Oh, I'm excited to use that. That smells wonderful. Doesn't give you on the box, does it? Like the notes. It really doesn't. I don't know if maybe on this side it might give you some of the... it says Scent Space. We've created Scent Space so that you can choose your ideal projection among your fragrances. A closely projecting personal. Okay, that doesn't make sense. I'm not really sure what the scents are on this. Like, it really doesn't tell you. But it smells nice. I'm happy to have it. I mean, it really does smell nice. Oh, there's lots of products in here. I forgot you get more than normal. From Danessa Myricks Beauty, line work. And this is in Onyx, so this is going to be a black eyeliner. Right here. Nice. Right here. Nice packaging. Is this a fine tip? I'll share it. I'm not going to keep it just because I have a few black, and I'll share that because I don't wear black eyeliner. So from Kosas, we have Weightless Lip Color. I'll show you the packaging in a minute. This is Turned On, a warm pinkish brown. Right here, and that must be the shade Indicator. Let's pop you open and see. Kosas is very nice. I love their makeup. Nice right here. Tube. Yeah, that's definitely like pumpkin-y, spicy looking. Ooh, pretty. Feels nice too. I love that. Such a lipstick junkie. Absolutely keeping that. Love it. And the last item is here from Il Makiage Color Boss Master Palette. I have a lot of the smaller ones from Il Makiage, but I didn't know that there was this one. I don't think I have this one. Beautiful package. This is magnetic. Oh, I don't think I have this one. This nice mirror. I'm trying to block. Beautiful. Look at that palette. Beautiful. So happy for that. That is stunning. I do like I'm happy for that. I'm not unhappy with anything in this box. I love the skincare. First of all, that MZ Skin Moisturizer. Wow. That feels wonderful. The Cat Berkey, you don't get, that's, you know, that's more for, like, that's a serum, gel serum-y type of, or this is the moisturizer, but that feels so nice. I'll put that all over. Love the lipstick. The perfume smells wonderful. The palette is exciting. I'm going to share the eyeliner. That's really the only thing that, and technically I could keep that, but I'm not. That's the only thing I want to share. I love the radiance pads, and like I said, cut them in half, make multiples. Don't, stretch it. I mean, you could use the whole thing, but the J.Lo Beauty lip scrub, I'm happy for that too. I think this is a great box. I mean, I wanted to reserve my opinion just because, I know they don't have beauty brands, neither one. But they still have favorite makeup, and we got a nice variety of products. It's not like, I love trying a lot from one brand so that you can try multiple things to decide, oh, let me get more. But here you get a nice variety of stuff. This is nice, and I might have to look into some of their others. But like I said, some high-end stuff and some, not so high-end, but still a nice box in the end, and I think definitely worth the money. I don't know the prices of any of this stuff, but, let me just see it. The J.Lo lip mask, it is on here, $19. You can get product from Goldfaden MD. Murad, The Ordinary, very nice. MZ Skin is $130. This moisturizer, I told you it was expensive. Cat Berkey is very expensive. They have Grown Alchemist. Just for some pricing. I don't think I saw pricing anywhere else, did I? There's Dermalectives. Huda Beauty. Is there Huda Beauty going to be available? I don't know. Fenty First Aid Beauty Radiance Pads are $38. Makeup Forever. There looks like there might be a product. Some Fenty. KVD Beauty. Morphe, maybe. I don't know if any of this stuff. Pat McGrath. Maybe a bronzer. Danessa Myricks. Is that a blush? Maybe a blush in there. I don't know. Looks like there's lots of good products. I'm just looking at the pages in here to see if there's pricing on anything to give you some ideas. The liquid liner from Danessa Myricks is $18. Il Makiage palette is $61. Kosas lip, $26. So, you're definitely getting your money's worth out of this box. And there are pricing in this. So, Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are the icons couple for the August icon box. I would purchase this if I got to choose from the products that I'm seeing. So, little sneak peek. I wanted to get this up right away so that you could see some of the spoilers. My thoughts on them a little bit. Not that it matters when you're buying it, but, like great lipstick for, and I wear, it doesn't matter. I wear them all year round. That's a true fall color, but I would wear it in any season. I would wear it now. A color's a color. So I think great boxes for the month of August. I am excited. I don't personally get the icon box for my own issues that I've had with icon, but, love getting it in PR and sharing it. And I do share a lot of the products that I get. This month I'll probably keep a lot of them, but I do share a lot of them in my giveaways. So stay tuned for giveaways in the month of August. And I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye for now.